Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to TLC 2009 DVD unboxing. This is from WWE Home Videos in 2009, obviously. And we have Jericho and Big Show versus DX in a TLC match for the Unified Tag Team Championship. Undertaker versus Batista in a chair match for the WWE for the World Heavyweight Championship. Cena versus Sheamus in a tables match for the championship. And Christian versus Shelton Benjamin in a ladder match for the ECW Championship. Here we go. Obviously, there's more matches on it, but you know. Can you, like, open or something? Little fucker. Thank you. Much appreciated. Oh, for the love of Christ. Can't even open it like that. You need to make a DVD that's easy to open. Holy Charmin, this is hard to open. This is really irritating. There we go. We're getting something. There we go. Yeah. That's what I say to that. Right there. Yeah. Alright. Alright. And there it is. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notification bells. You'll know every time I upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.